Well, after 4 attempts at winning a congressional election, Colleen Hanabusa now officially represents urban Honolulu as a member of the U.S. House. KITV4's Jill Kuramoto begins our team coverage of the opening day of the 112th Congress. Jill?
Well, Paula, Hanabusa previously ran unsuccessfully for the House seat in 2003, in 2006, and then in last year's special election. But in November, she beat out Charles DeJoux for the seat vacated by now Governor Neil Abercrombie, proving that 4 times can be the charm.
The first day on the job, and Colleen Hanabusa, now U.S. Representative Hanabusa, is already a rarity in the 112th Congress. She's among 9 freshman Democrats and one of only 2 Democrats to defeat an incumbent Republican in the 2010 elections. Shortly after being sworn in today, the 59-year-old former state Senate president said taking the oath of office is much different than opening day at the state legislature.
One of the things that you are struck by is the fact that you are now officially part of that small group, relatively small group, though it's 435 of us, that are going to make the laws of the nation.
Although still awaiting committee assignments, Hanabusa says she plans to get right to work, voting for measures to help Hawaii's economy.
And I think that we also know that a lot of that is because Hawaii has always benefited from federal spending, federal funding, and that we need to ensure that to continue.
But as a liberal freshman in the House, where Republicans are now the majority, she faces a daunting task. Hanabusa said she's thankful she has a powerful Hawaii delegation to work with on critical issues, especially Senator Daniel Inouye as chair of Appropriations.
What Maisie and I will have to ensure is that we do what is needed to assist them once all the necessary legislation gets to the Senate.
As for how she's acclimating to Washington, D.C. so far,
it's not as cold as they say.
Now, some other details about the 112th Congress. Representatives Hanabusa and Mazie Hirono are among the 78 women in the House. Paula?
All right, Jill, thanks.